Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are again going to continue our design pattern series, and in this video we are going to study about the composite design pattern. Composite design pattern is a part of the structural design pattern, and this pattern solves the problem of hierarchy, or you can say the classes are organized or structured in a tree like fashion. Then we have to use the composite design pattern. So let's move to the blackboard and understand it thoroughly. So I created one simple example here that what we have to do it that we have to make one menu that, let's say, the same restaurant that with a different story, the customer came and he wants to see the menu. So we have this menu, and in this menu we have different things. We have this veg menu and we have this non-veg menu. In the veg menu we can have pizza, nachos, and in the burger section we can have this cheeseburger or the veg burger. In the non-veg menu we can have this non-veg burger and the non-veg pizza, and there can be many more things. It is all dynamic. Okay, it is all dynamic. So we have to make this menu. This is something that we have to do it with our code. So now let's move to the IntelliJ and let's see the bad and the good approach, and you will understand the composite design pattern very easily. So if we see the general approach, or we can say it, if we see the bad code, now what is going to happen? First of all, let me just take you to this veg menu class. In the veg menu class, what I'm taking the list of string, or you can say items. I'm setting it into the constructor, and there is one show veg menu function. Similarly with the non-veg menu, what I'm doing, I'm taking one items, setting into the constructor, and after that there is show non-veg menu function. So if I go to this restaurant class, you will see here what is happening. I just pass the veg menu, and in the veg menu I'm just passing all the items: burger, pizza and nachos, and in the non-veg menu I'll just passing chicken burger and the chicken pizza. So if I run this code, you will see that we are getting our menu, but this is not a good way of doing it. We're just passing everything into the constructor. Let's say if their burger is also a class, and if, let's say the burger is also class, and we have to pass different parameters, and we are not even describing that where is the cheeseburger and there where is the veg burger that we have just saw in our blackboard. So this is the problem with the bad code. And now let's move to the good code and understand how composite design patterns solve this problem. So now we are on our good code. Here you will see that first thing that we are going to do is that we are describing one menu that is known as the main menu. And in the main menu, and again I'm describing one child menu one, that is the veg menu, and later on you will go down and you will find it out that I'm also making this non-veg menu. Let me just move this line forward so that all the menu are together. Okay, so first of all we are making this main menu, and after that we are making this child menu and another child menu, that is the non-veg menu. So let's go to this menu class and understand it. So when I'll reach to this menu class, see what is it is taking. It is taking the string name. Other than that, it is taking this menu component. I will just complete this class and then we'll see what is what is this menu component. And now after that and after that there is a constructor that is going to take the menu component list. This is the menu class, and it is overriding these two functions, and these two functions are coming with this menu component. If I go to this menu component, what is happening here? It is having two functions. The first one is the display, and second one is the add function. These are the two functions that have overridden in the menu class. So in the add function, what I'm going to do, we are adding this thing. We have this list, we are going to add the element, and in the display function we are going to just show this list, the list of this menu component. We are going to just print it. So in the add function we are adding it, and in the display function we are printing it. I have one more class, that is menu item. It is pretty similar to the menu class. The only thing that is a different is the name. We will call it as menu item. Why I made this class? So burger, pizza and the veg cheese pizza are, these are the menu items, the items. But let's say the main menu, veg menu and the non-veg menu are the actual menus. So to differentiate it, I just change the name of the class. So there is a menu, that is main menu, veg menu and the non-veg menu, and there is items that are burger, pizza and the nachos. But they both are implementing this menu component, and they are both are going to take the same list. They both are going to do the same thing. There is a name, there is going to be some menu items, and they are going to be constructor. we can add into the list, and we can display them. Now let's see how the things are working. Now let's go to this restaurant class. So first of all, we are going to make main menu, veg menu, and the non-veg menu. I think pretty clear. Like, we are not doing anything special. We are just going to pass the first parameter name. Secondly, now let's make the all the menu items. So first of all, the menu item is going to be pizza, nachos, burger. After that, I make veggie burger, cheeseburger. Now it is an important step. Here, what I'm going to do, in this menu item, in this burger menu item, I am going to add. So burger dot add. That is something that I'm doing in the line number 49. I'm going calling this add function. Then it is going to add this veggie burger and the cheeseburger into this burger. Okay, so it means that we make a link. So burger is the menu item, and we added two menu items to it. So burger is the main item, and we added two menu items, that is going to be veg burger or our cheeseburger. So after that, when our menu items are ready, so now we have how many menu items? First menu item is pizza, second menu item is nachos, third menu item is going to be burger, and burger contains two menu items more, veg burger and the cheeseburger, that we are adding in line number 48 and 49. After that, we are going to add these menu items into our veg menu, in our child menu. So after that, when we add this thing, we got a hierarchy. All these pizza, nachos and burger are going to connect with the veg menu, and in these veg burger and the cheeseburger are going to connect with the burger. So we got a hierarchy of veg menu ready. So now let's move to the non-veg menu. We have this menu items, again chicken pizza and the chicken burger. What we are going to do, we are going to add these two items into our non-veg menu. So our non-veg menu hierarchy is ready. Non-veg menu items, we are going to add this chicken pizza and the chicken burger. So let's see how this add function is working one more time. This in the add function, we are just going to add the component of the menu component, and this menu item is going to implement the menu component. That's why we can do this. Now our non-veg menu hierarchy is also ready, and when our veg menu hierarchy is ready, when our non-veg menu hierarchy is ready, what is the final step? We are going to add this veg menu and the non-veg menu into the main menu. And finally, when our menu is ready, we are going to add this veg menu and the non-veg menu to our main menu. Main menu is here. We have already designed it. We have to just add these veg menu and non-veg menu to the list. So when we add this, the final thing is going to display it. If I run this code, here you will see the output is also going to come in the hierarchy. We have this main menu. After that, we have this veg menu, and these are the menu items: pizza, nachos, burger, and in the burger we have this veg burger, cheeseburger. In the non-veg menu, we have this chicken pizza and the chicken burger. So this is how the composite design pattern is going to work. If you have studied the bridge design pattern, maybe you are a little confused, but there is a difference. In the composite design pattern, we are making a tree-like structure. In the bridge design pattern, we were solving the problem of the multiplication. We were solving the problem of multiplication to the addition. Let's say there are the classes, let's say food, and there are the classes, like say types, and if they are forming the combination and there is the multiplication, we were converting into the addition, okay, by forming a bridge between them. Here we are making the hierarchy, and there is a parent-child relationship. So maybe a child of this subtree is going to be different, the child of this subtree can be different. So they two are very different things. So I don't want you to be confused. I already provided you the code of the bridge pattern here. I already provided you the code of the composite design pattern. And I will provide all the code of my GitHub, and I will put the link into the description so that you can study it later as well. So this is all for the composite design pattern. I hope you understand it, and we will meet in the next video, and thank you for watching me, and bye bye.